We have now officially have a huge, massive amount of bubbles all over our whole yard. Just put this in the corner of your yard. Pay attention to the way the wind blows and then put it in the corner and you can get it all over your yard in literally seconds. So I gotta say, when I received this bubble machine, I was a little bit nervous because this comes in the pack and this makes 1 liter of bubbles. I was excited because it comes with bubble solution. However, this is a concentrate, so you do have to add water to this. But then I looked on the back and I was reading the back and noticed that you actually just fill this up with water to the 1 liter mark right here. It has a little see-through, so you can see through the bag to where that 1 liter is reached. And the instructions are super simple and they're right there. So no more worries. We're gonna put water in, make the bubbles. All right, I filled it up to the line right there. I'm gonna shake it up as the instructions say, and then I'm gonna put it in the machine. Okay, one thing I have to mention is that this actually comes with, you need batteries for it, but they give you the batteries for it. So that is a pet peeve of mine, is getting all these toys for kids and everything, and you don't have batteries for it, or you're short, you don't keep a stock. Some people don't keep a stock of batteries, but this actually comes with the batteries for this. There are 2 AA batteries that go in here, and then right at the bottom of here, it is the battery that comes with it that you'll charge up, which I already had it charge up. You do get the little screwdriver in it, and of course manual, and then this goes on the top. Another cool thing is it does give you a little cup, so when pouring into here, it makes it easier and not likely to spill because you get the filter right there, the funnel to put that in and not have to worry about that. I do want to point this out. When you're filling this up, there is a clear little see-through window here on the back that shows you the level you're filling it up in milliliters. So that is really helpful, because at first looking at it, you're like, oh no, how much do I put in? And you got to sit there and try to look at the top, but you actually don't have to do that. You can look right here. This does tilt up at an angle a little bit, and that just helps for when the bubbles blow out. Now that is not able to adjust down at all or straight, so just know when you're filling that up that it is gonna look like it's a little bit higher than it really is because of that angle, but that is how the angle will sit the whole time, and then it does rotate back and forth. There is this cute little hand though too to move it around easily and bring it in different areas. So I got this filled up, just put the cap on here. You see the wind is very windy today. Look, we can change the lights on the top. It's very windy. Yeah, that's the light button. And then this button rotates it. Or you can do it with the remote. Look at all those bubbles. Let's see if the remote works way over here. Yep, it worked. Let's go back even farther. I'm at least 25 feet. Yep. It worked. We got it to rotate. So it works pretty far. Look at all those bubbles. Whee! Can you even catch them all? Yeah. I don't think so. There's so many of them. They just keep shooting out. Bubbles, bubbles. Let's stop the rotation. Start the rotation. Change the LED lights. I'm doing it from the remote. You can change all the lights on the top. Ooh, do this at night. Will be super cool. Okay, our neighborhood is turning into a bubble factory. This is so cool. The kids are having such a great time. Even dogs like the bubbles. Thanks for sending us this to review.